What did Andrew Bailey say to cause sterling to fall this week? Sterling fell sharply on Thursday after the governor of the Bank of England suggested it could be a bit more aggressive cutting interest rates if inflation continued to moderate. The pound then dropped 1.2% against the dollar after the comments, which were seen as slightly more dovish than his previous guidance had implied. This is because lower interest rates tend to weaken domestic currencies, as international investors can earn a higher return on their investments elsewhere. The central bank cut interest rates for the first time since the pandemic in August, but policymakers opted to leave rates on hold last month. Investors anticipate further rate cuts this year as cost pressures ease, with Bailey's comments spurring markets to bet on more easing of monetary policy in the months ahead. Following September's meeting, Bailey suggested that there would be further rate cuts this year, but also cautioned that the bank could not cut rates too far or too fast. However, speaking to The Guardian, Bailey said the bank could be a bit more activist if there was further good news on inflation, which came in at 2.2% in August. That's marginally above the 2% target, but bank officials expect it to gradually rise over the remainder of the year to around 3%. It all comes as Iran's unprecedented missile attack on Israel on Tuesday shocked global markets and sent Brent crude higher as investors feared escalation in the region. Andrew Bailey said he's watching events in the Middle East extremely closely, and that there were limits to what could be done to prevent oil prices rising if things got, quote, really bad. For more on the story, head to cityam.com and follow us on socials.